Hello, Salesforce Trailblazers. Welcome to Pipeline Pioneer by Careerya, the podcast where we unravel the mysteries of leads, opportunities, and the dynamic dance between them in Salesforce. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're embarking on a journey through the heart of your sales processes. Get ready for real-world examples, implementation insights, interview-ready knowledge, and a quiz to test your Salesforce mastery. Podcast episode, Trailblazing Through Salesforce, Decoding Leads, Opportunities, and Their Dynamic Interplay. Next, let's kick off our exploration by understanding the essential elements, leads, and opportunities. Segment 1, Navigating the Sales Terrain, Leads and Opportunities in Salesforce. In the realm of Salesforce, leads are like potential treasures waiting to be discovered. Opportunities, on the other hand, are the jewels that emerge from those leads, representing potential revenue for your business. Example 1. Picture a scenario where a lead named Alex Johnson expresses interest in your product. As Alex progresses through the sales journey, the lead transforms into an opportunity, like Deal with Alex Johnson, reflecting the potential revenue. Implementation insights. To implement leads and opportunities, navigate to the Salesforce setup, customize the lead and opportunity objects, and establish the necessary fields. Configure lead conversion settings to seamlessly transition leads into opportunities. Next, now, let's delve into the intricate relationships between leads and opportunities. Segment 2, The Sales Tango, Understanding the Dynamics between Leads and Opportunities. The relationship between leads and opportunities is like a tango, where each step influences the other. Understanding this dance is crucial for effective sales management. Example 2. Imagine a lead expressing interest in a particular product. As this lead progresses, the associated opportunity could reflect details like deal amount, close date, and stage, providing a comprehensive view of the sales pipeline. Implementation insights. To implement this dance, configure Salesforce's lead conversion settings to map lead data to the corresponding opportunity fields. Ensure that the transition is seamless, capturing critical information during the conversion process. Next, moving on, let's explore the interview-worthy aspects of mastering leads and opportunities. Interview insights, Salesforce Sales Mastery Questions. Question 1. Can you explain the difference between a lead and an opportunity in Salesforce? Answer 1. In Salesforce, a lead represents a potential customer, while an opportunity is a potential deal or sale. Leads are individuals or entities expressing interest, and opportunities track potential revenue associated with those leads. Question 2. How does Salesforce handle the transition from a lead to an opportunity? Answer 2. Salesforce provides lead conversion functionality, allowing users to convert a lead into an opportunity seamlessly. During conversion, users can map lead data to corresponding opportunity fields. Question 3. Why is it important to track the relationship between leads and opportunities in Salesforce? Answer 3. Tracking the relationship provides a comprehensive view of the sales pipeline, enabling businesses to understand the progression from initial interest to potential revenue. It helps in effective sales forecasting and strategy. Next, now, let's challenge your Salesforce sales mastery with a quiz. Quiz, test your Salesforce sales mastery. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of leads in Salesforce? Lister for an answer. Answer 1. In Salesforce, leads represent potential customers or entities expressing interest in a product or service. Question 2. How can you seamlessly transition a lead into an opportunity in Salesforce? List her for an answer. Answer 2. In Salesforce, you can use the lead conversion functionality to seamlessly transition a lead into an opportunity, mapping lead data to corresponding opportunity fields. There you have it, a journey through the Salesforce sales terrain, exploring the realms of leads, opportunities, and their dynamic relationships. If you found this episode enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow trailblazers, and subscribe to Careerya for more Salesforce adventures.